Hi, I'm Noland Richter, one of the electrical instructors for the electrical apprenticeship program here at Portage College, Cold Lake. I am going to demonstrate the differences in three-way, four-way, and single pole switches. I've set up this board for easier connections, but to demonstrate, I do have it already set up for three-way switches, a three-way and a four-way. So a three-way switch means that you can control it in two different locations. A four-way is a third location. A four-way switch, you can add four-way switches in between your three-ways for a multitude of locations. So on this, you have your power coming in. To demonstrate, I've got power cord, power coming in. Your white is your identified conductor. Your black is your hot. Goes up to your three-way switch. Through that three-way switch, we've got it connected so that our white identified conductor goes all the way through to the light. On your three-way switch, you have your power stop at the switch, then it travels on the two travelers. Through the travelers, the combination at your four-way and to your three-way at the end. And from the travelers, it narrows it back down to your switch leg to your light. Right? So with that, we can throw on our three-way switch. We can turn on the four-way and it turns off the light. If we turn on the next three-way, light's back on, four-way is off, this one is back on, that one's off. So through any combination, we can control that light. Now, I'm going to disconnect the power and switch it over to the single pole switch. Safety first, make sure there's no power. I've used these quick connects for easier demonstration. These quick connects are only good for your switching, your household circuitry. You do not want to use them on any motor connections because they're not heavy duty enough. So through this, I've now connected through your single pole switch, now connected up the light accordingly. I'll plug in, and I had my switch on, thus the light is off, or comes on. So if you can see, my other switches do not work, where the single pole switch does. And with the single pole switch, you have your power coming in, your identified conductor or neutral goes straight through to the light, your switch, you have your power coming in through the switch, then comes out on the other set of wires as your switch leg up to your light. All right, so that's your basic single pole switching and three and four-way switching.